You know, when we think about our health, we often think about complicated diets or expensive superfoods. But what if I told you that helping out your kidneys could be as simple as adding 4 things to your grocery list? Things you might even have in your kitchen right now. Today, we're going to talk about some incredibly simple foods that can help flush out toxins and really support your kidney health.
So why is this so important? Well, the crazy thing about our kidneys is that they often suffer in silence. I mean, real damage can be happening for years before you'd ever notice a major symptom. It's these little whispers, these quiet warnings that we really need to start listening to.
So what do these secret warnings even look like? Well, honestly, they're the kinds of things most of us just brush off. Think about it for a second. Are you feeling tired all the time for no good reason? Have you noticed your ankles getting a little puffy? What about foamy urine? Or maybe you're just getting up to go to the bathroom way more at night. These aren't just little annoyances, you guys. They can be real clues that your kidneys are working way too hard.
But here's the good news, the really empowering part. The answer isn't necessarily waiting for you at the pharmacy. Nope. Your first line of defense is actually way closer. It's right there in the grocery aisle. The simple choices you make when you're shopping can make a huge difference in easing the load on your kidneys.
Okay, let's dive into food number 1, the bean boost. Seriously, beans. We probably don't give them enough credit, but these little guys are absolute fiber-packed powerhouses for protecting your kidneys.
I absolutely love this way of thinking about it. Fiber is like your body's own natural broom. It literally sweeps through your digestive system, grabbing all the junk and toxins and pushing them out of your body. And when fiber does that, your kidneys don't have to. It just takes a massive amount of pressure off of them.
And hey, it's not just about the fiber. In just a half cup of cooked beans, you're getting somewhere between 6 and 9 grams of really good protein. And that's the stuff that helps repair cells all over your body, including in your kidneys, keeping everything running strong.
And the benefits just keep stacking up. Beans also help manage your blood sugar and lower cholesterol, both of which can be really hard on your kidneys over time. Plus, they fight chronic inflammation, which is a huge factor in long-term kidney damage. It's like giving your kidneys a protective shield.
All right, on to our second food, tofu. And before you say anything, no, this is not just for vegetarians. It's an amazing plant-based protein that is incredibly gentle on your kidneys.
So what makes it so gentle? Well, here's the deal. Animal proteins can really make your kidneys work overtime. They're often high in phosphorus, which can build up and cause problems. Tofu, on the other hand, gives you that protein your body needs, but it's low in phosphorus, so it doesn't totally overwhelm your system.
Let's talk numbers for a sec. Potassium is important, but for kidneys that are already stressed, too much is a bad thing. A half cup of tofu has about 121 milligrams. That's a really moderate, safe amount. It's kind of the perfect sweet spot. You get the benefits without the risk.
And here's that word again, inflammation. Just like with beans, tofu has antioxidants that help calm down chronic inflammation. And that is absolutely crucial because it gives your kidneys a much-needed break to rest and repair. Okay, food number 3 is one of the simplest on the planet, the good old apple. And what makes apples so great for your kidneys isn't just what's in them, it's actually more about what's not in them. Let's do a quick fire round on this. First up, potassium. In half a medium apple, you're only looking at about 95 to 106 milligrams. That is super low and super easy for your kidneys to process.
Next, phosphorus. Remember, this is another mineral that can be tough on kidneys. An apple? Just 8 to 9 milligrams. I mean, that's barely anything.
And finally, the big one, sodium. How much is in a half an apple? A big fat 0, nothing, zilch. That profile right there makes apples one of the smartest and safest snacks you can choose.
So what's the bottom line here? It's simple. Apples give your body hydration and fiber to help your kidneys do their job, but without dumping a bunch of extra minerals on them that they'd have to work hard to filter out. It's a perfect, simple little package.
And that brings us to our 4th and final food today, yogurt. You might be surprised by this one, but we're focusing on how its probiotics have a really direct and pretty cool connection to your kidney health.
The connection is actually all about your gut. See, yogurt is loaded with probiotics. Those are the good bacteria. When your gut is healthy and full of those good guys, fewer toxins can sneak into your bloodstream. And if there are fewer toxins in your blood, that means way less cleanup work for your kidneys to do. It's a win-win.
But hold on, not all yogurts are the same. If you really want to do your kidneys a favor, Greek yogurt is the way to go. Check this out. It has more than double the protein of regular yogurt, but it's actually lower in both phosphorus and potassium. That makes it the clear winner here.
So when you're eating yogurt, especially Greek yogurt, you're getting those amazing probiotics for your gut, plus calcium for your bones and B12 for energy. It's all stuff that helps your whole body feel good, which in turn supports your kidneys.
Phew! Okay, we just went through 4 incredible and incredibly simple foods. So now let's pull it all together into a really straightforward action plan.
Here you go, your 4-step plan. Number 1, boost your fiber by adding beans to your meals. 2, pick a smart, gentle protein like tofu. 3, when you need a snack, grab an apple. And 4, support your gut by eating yogurt and try to make it Greek. And it really doesn't get much simpler than that.
You know, if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's that taking care of your health doesn't have to be this big, complicated, expensive thing. It doesn't have to be about a mountain of prescriptions or confusion. It can be as simple as what you decide to put on your plate for your very next meal. You have that power.
So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Looking at these 4 simple, powerful foods, the beans, the tofu, the apple, the yogurt, which one are you going to add to your plate this week? Just pick one. It's a great first step to giving your kidneys the support they really deserve.
If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe to HealthPulse Hub for more simple health tips.